Alright, how's it going? We're going to get the final achievement in Chicken in the Darkness. I forget what it's called, to be honest. But I'm sick and tired of this achievement being so far as of reach. Let's just make sure this is in English. Because I started this before and I had no idea what I was supposed to do. Want some sample? Then who goes to rock, paper, scissors. Oh. No. I can only assume that he's saying find the key to open a door to the main building. And to go to the main building to find my stuffs. But the entrance is locked right now. I should find the key in the boys' room security office. Yeah. It's located on the second floor. Sup, balls? Oh, well, there goes my mouse. I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember what I had to do in this game. Despite me watching it through 50,000 times. Maybe I should have looked up a guide on this. But nah, I'm a gamer. Gamers don't need guides. Gamers need chicken and achievements. Find it. Alright. Nothing on there. Jeez, my stamina takes forever to recover. You can tell that these people have eaten nothing but chicken. Ooh. Hello. Go to the study room in Mo Building's 5th floor to find your phone. I need a phone to order chicken. I think I left my phone at the study room on the day after school study time. Yeah. 5th floor. No. Oh. Texture. Texture. Oh, they're taking this. Yoink. Hey, look, it's one of my friends. Who? What? Where? When? Why? How? Whomst? Stairs. That didn't sound pleasant. Fifth floor. Spooky. Am I not on the 5th floor? Oh well. I could see a thing. Oh well. Am I like 2 feet tall?
You should kill yourself now!
Oh god. Well, consider me sufficiently threatened. And then I close this. I know the achievement is to do with doors, so I'm just going to be closing all of them. And then I'll try keeping them open. You never know. Oh, shit! Mr. Face, no! Why? Why, Mr. Face? This is gonna be a long session. I don't have the past memorized. Yeah. Wait a minute. Right. Go down this hall. That's what she said. Security room. I can't reach it from here. Apparently my arms are just about as tall as my body is in relationship to others. Well, I'm still in the main building, I assume. Oh no, wait, this is the dorms. Oops, there goes my mouse again. Oh man. Oh man. Oh jeez. Where's my mouse? And then my ability to walk upstairs. Everything's been taken away from me. But it's okay. At the end of the day, all you really need is some chicken. What the hell just happened there? You know what? I'm not gonna question anything. I don't even know where I am, bro. Up here. Up here. Down here. Down. Okay. This door has been the bane of my existence. It's down here. Nope. Headbutting invisible walls don't seem to work. That's literally my only strategy. Oh, here's a classroom. I don't think this is the one I need. I had a door open. And I do believe I know somebody who has the ability to open doors in this game. Bleh. That even is your real name. It's not. It's the janitor, but you know. The hell is that? Oh, clipping. I thought I saw something else completely here. The scariest thing this game has: leaves. What the f? Oh, speak of the devil. Ooh, what a... Oh jeez, oh man. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Go back. Your boyfriend is inside that room. Oh, happy couple. Oh, they're not very forced at all. That door is still open though, and I'm not a fan of that. Don't you? I don't know. Fifth floor. No, I've been here already. Ooh. Now, how do I use that? Dang it, I can't select it. Well, guess we're just going the pacifist route. We ain't using any weapons. Close the door. You are my special. Ah, this'll help. I see. And if I go over there... Okay, I make a left turn over there. Okay, I got it. I still don't understand any of this. Ay, caramba. That sound is getting real annoying. Oh, perfect. Not on my watch. Oh, hello. Oh. See ya. Easy every time. And how do I use this? There's a door left open. Perfect. Oh, is Mr. Face here again? I mean, if it's just him, I can deal with him, but if it's Blech, probably shouldn't go to any dead ends. He's the one that can open doors. Whoops, there goes my mouse. Hamburger. Nope. I'm going in circles now. I don't even think I've left this one building. Alright. Next building it is. Run. Oh, there he is. Missed me. Oh shoot. So I'm still faster than him, even just by normal walking speed. Alright, I can deal with that. You can go through walls though, which is a bit annoying. What's in here? Nothing. Well. Not on my watch. I refuse. But it refused. I have no idea where I'm going. I am not turning around. If I don't look at it, it can't hurt me. That's the rule of horror. It's not a jump scare if I can't see you. You can flash red as much as you want. I ain't looking. I know that's just spray paint. I'm trying to get... oh, I think I went past the turn. I'm just gonna... I'm real curious and I'm stuck in trees. Oh, great. You what, mate? You what? Well, if that's not hubris, I don't know what is. This is pain.